Good morning again, Year 2. So for today's activity, this will be your homework for our reading comprehension. Task number 1, reread story. Reread, it means read again. It means again. So read again. Read the story of how the zebra got his stripes on your Hodder Learner's Book, page 62. And then answer the following questions. Please write only your answers in your copybook or on a paper. And then please take a photo and send it via Edmodo. Please use the turn-in assignment. Do not use anymore the messages. Please, again, take a photo and send it via Edmodo. Please use turn-in assignment, not in the messages anymore. Question number 1. Where and when is the story set? You remember the setting? It is where and when it talks about the place and the time of the story. Where and when is the story set? Where is the place and what time is it? Number 2. Which two adjectives are used to describe the baboon in the first sentence? So our noun is baboon. What are the two adjectives that describe the baboon in the first sentence of the story? Number 3. What color is the zebra's coat at the beginning of the story? What color is the zebra's coat at the beginning of the story? Number 4. What happened to the zebra after he kicked the baboon? What happened to the zebra after he kicked the baboon? And number 5. How did the zebra get his stripes? Number 5. How did the zebra get his stripes? So this is your homework for today's reading comprehension. Thank you and have a good day learning.